Greetings to you, everybody. To those that wanted to know how to mix TYROLEAN before you start spreading. So this is how to mix TYROLEAN. Only fetch your standards, and sometimes you can add a little lateral.
Yara bakti kasar ne. Ana ma bakti kasar na butu. Amma magasin kasar na da shine damuwa.
Effective one, you understand? So after that, then you mix it together. Mix it very well. You understand? As this my co-worker is doing. Look at how he's mixing it. He's mixing it very well. You can as well add more cement once you discover that the cement is not much, because you want it to be strong and very effective, long lasting one.